beneficial tool that the multi-gas sampling data logger offers is the ability to data log with the handy micro 16 gigabyte SD card. First, before using the CM1000, it is important to verify that the SD card is installed in the card slot properly. Now, as a reminder, the SD card gold chips should always be facing forward, facing the user, as seen here. Now, to begin measuring our gas concentrations, we are going to turn the power switch on. It's helpful to remove the overall inlet and outlet port seen on the top of the device. This is important for precise sampling. Now next, you'll verify that the CM1000 displays the proper CO2, RH, and temp settings on the main screen, as shown here. Now to begin recording the data, we're going to place the meter in a suitable location. We're going to then connect the tubing and filters as required. Next, we're going to begin logging. We're going to press and hold the pump button until the SD card icon changes its inner color to green. What this means is that the CM1000 is recording data. Now when the SD card is blue with a green interface, the pump will run continuously. To stop your logging, you're going to press and hold the pump button until the SD card icon changes color to a white interface. Once the SD card is white, this means that the data is not being recorded. When the SD card is white, it also means that the pump will stop after 60 seconds. Now for those looking to manage your files, the CM1000 stores log files on the removable SD card. At the completion of your tests, you simply remove the SD card from the CM1000 and you can use the transverter to place into a card reader or PC. Once you open your log files in Excel or CSV, you are ready to analyze your data.